In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record your Android smartphone, and I'll show you the two options that are available, one inbuilt and another one external. I'll show you the two because on most smartphones, the screen recording does not come with audio, and to achieve this, I'll show you how to do so. To screen record on your smartphone, all you need to do is to use the internal screen recorder, and if you go to your apps, you can see the screen recorder is here. All you need to do is to tap on it and start recording. And now we have a window here to allow us to screen record, and all you need to do is to tap on the red button so that the screen recording can begin. And now if I tap on it, you can see the countdown, meaning everything that you are doing on our smartphone is being recorded. And here everything that you do will be captured. However, there is one big problem with most of the internal screen recorder of most smartphones, such as this one. So if you are recording with your microphone, you might realize that the sound of the microphone was not picked up. However, the visuals were picked up. So test your screen recorder first to make sure that the recording that you have just done comes with the sound. So once you have completed your recording, all you need to do is to tap on it to end the recording. And now, as you can see, our recording is here. So that's one way you can record your screen. So if you find that that app that comes with the smartphone does not capture the sound, all you need to do is to go and look for an external app that will be able to do that work. And I have found one app that does that work very well, and it is called A to Z Recorder. And here it is, A to Z Screen Recorder. All you need to do to get this app is go to your Play Store and then look for A to Z Screen Recorder. And here it is. Tap on it and you'll see it here. So go ahead and install this app. And once you have installed this app, go out and try it. And here it is. Just tap on it and then tap on allow so that it can display over other apps. And now start recording using this option. The recorder is here. You can tap on it and then tap on start now. Now this app will go ahead and record everything you're doing on your smartphone. And the good thing is your recordings will be captured without any interference on the screen. And this app captures all the audio and the visuals on your recording. Now, once you are done, all you need to do is to swipe your recording here and then tap on stop recording or pause recording according to your preference. So if we tap on stop recording, it will go ahead and save our recording, and the recording is available as you can see here. And now we can go ahead and play our recording, and as you can see, it captured even the audio, and this app perfectly does that well. So that's how you record your smartphone or your screen using this app. So try out the two and see which one works best for you. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.